Hey guys, today I want to talk to you about some tips you can do to prolong the lifespan on both your coupler and your hitch. Let's go ahead and get right into it. So the number one thing that's going to be discussed in this video is going to be coupler lubrication. A lot of times people can do maintenance on their trailer, such as lubricating the bearings, which is very important, but coupler and the hitch often go overlooked. And so what you're going to want to do, depending on how much you use your trailer, you could do this on a monthly or a weekly basis, is to simply take some paper towel and you can just scrunch it up like this, and you'll just want to just spin it around up there in the coupler. Just clean it out, because as you can see on this specific trailer, there's no lubrication whatsoever up inside this coupler. So all I'm getting is just rust, dust, and particles up there because it is bone dry. So this specific coupler does not look like it's been lubricated for a long time. And what this does is, if you have your ball that doesn't have any lubrication on it either, and obviously it's going to be moving around up and down like this on the road, and it's going to be complete friction between both the coupler and the ball. There's going to be nothing preventing those harsh movements. It's just going to be sheer metal on metal, and that's where you're going to find the rust, because when you lubricate it, it's actually going to repel water, so it's going to get rusty and it's going to wear out faster because it's metal on metal and there's nothing repelling the water. So what you can do to prevent this is take your paper towel, clean out this coupler real thoroughly, and then you can take something such as chain lube. It doesn't have to be specifically chain lube, it can be white lithium grease. Sometimes people use WD-40, just something that's going to help lubricate and then also repel the water and dirt and dust that can get up into that coupler. And it almost works best if you just spray it directly onto your finger. It comes out in like this foam form, and then you can just wipe it around with your finger up in there. Because this stuff is pretty thick. Just wipe it around up in there, and then you can take some access here and you can apply it to your ball. And when you apply it to the ball, most of the contact between the coupler and the ball is going to be just on this top half here. It's not actually going to be so much on the very top of the ball itself, more so just around the top portion of it. So just get that all nice and lubricated there. And slide up in there, just how I felt it before. It's a lot smoother and you have a lot less friction between both the coupler and the ball. So that's just an easy way, that little tip you can do to prolong the lifespan of both the ball and the coupler for your trailer, and that way you have a better ride overall and you're gonna prolong the life on that coupler. Alright guys, that's the wrap for this video. I hope you enjoyed. If you have any more questions, let me know. Drop it down in the comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.